Okay friends, we are going to assemble our pasta macaroni cheese. We're going to start off, we split our pasta, the 400 gram, into two. We're going to make two containers that will serve different amounts of people. So Tumelo is going to start now by taking the larger one of the two, and we're going to add our cheese sauce to that, and we're going to mix that in really well. But before you mix all of it, Tumelo, we're going to just add some of our add-ins. We're going to put some baby tomato halves in there, like that. And we're going to put some chorizo sausages in there, which is Linda McCartney, by the way, makes a really nice chorizo sausage. And we are also going to add maybe a tiny little bit of capers. But you've got to be very careful with the capers because they're salty, and we'll add additional salt. So when you do your planning, decide whether you want to put your salt in the sauces or not. Okay, Tumelo, you can mix that really well. Okay, so we're going to mix that in. If we see that it's too thick, which it doesn't look like it, there you go, perfect. We can always add a little bit of water, but it doesn't seem like that's going to be the case here. Awesome, you can pour that into here, Tumelo. This is just sprayed with normal spray and cook to make sure that it doesn't stick. There we go. That is going to be the most delicious macaroni cheese you will ever taste. Awesome. Right, I want to explain why I like to use two sauces. It's because it gives a lot of dimension to the dish. It means that not every bite you're going to take is going to be the same as the previous one. So what I'm going to do is just randomly put this on, and I'm going to mix it in, but not properly. If you just pass me the fork, right, like that. And I'm just going to do something like that, yeah? Not completely mixed in, it's just really sitting on the top, and I'm not mixing it through at all. And then we are going to top this with some pitted olives, and it's going to go into the oven to get a little bit brown. And it's bubbling and yeah, ready to go. See you just now.